All right, guys, 2011 Infiniti FX35. This is what it sounds like before. Again. You guys can see it's very, very quiet. Here's sound decibels. Right at 89. Again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a rear muffler delete. We'll let you guys hear it after. 2011 Infiniti FX35. Got factory converter there, got factory converter there, then it wires into a single there, then it wires back out into two resonators, there and there. And then we did a rear muffler delete, as you guys can see there, and right there. And reuse his factory tips, there and there. There's the stock muffler that was on it. It comes in dueling on this side, as you guys can see, and then outlets on each side, there and there. So we eliminated it and dueled it out. So it's got a muffler delete on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, that sounds nice. I like it. Muffler. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 102. Go on and back it out. That's clean. Yeah, a nice pop to it. What do you guys think of the sound? Infiniti FX35. Let you guys hear on these.